As we come to the final piece of this beautiful Margam, we invite you to witness a performance that is both empowering and artistic. Sanskriti will now be presenting a Mahishasuramardini Stotram, a powerful hymn that praises the fierce and divine feminine energy of goddess Durga. This piece has been reimagined and choreographed by Nisha ma'am, which draws inspiration from the movie Purna, Courage Has No Limit, directed by Shri Rahul Bose. You may have heard of the words Aigiri Nandini, that literally means the daughter of the mountain. But in this performance, Sanskriti will tell the story of another daughter of the mountain, a real life warrior.
Some of you may already know of her. For others, this might be the first time hearing her incredible story. Her story is one of courage, determination, which is an inspiration to many. Born into a tribal family of agricultural laborers in a small village in the Nizamabad district of Telangana, she grew up in a community where even today some believe that a girl child is a burden, not a blessing. Yet despite these challenges, she achieved something extraordinary. At just 13 years of age, she made history by climbing Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to reach the summit. Her name is Purna Malawat. She had none of the privileges many of us take for granted. No easy access to food, no quality education, no exposure to opportunity. Like so many underprivileged children in our country, she was almost forgotten. Her struggles were invisible. Even her teachers had quietly given up on her. What can they ever become? They thought. But one person believed in her, and that one belief changed everything.
That person was Mr. Praveen Kumar, an IPS officer, who was determined to improve the quality of education in marginalized communities. Under his leadership, the curriculum in residential schools expanded to include sports and adventure training, giving the students a chance to dream beyond what they saw around them. Purna's journey from a forgotten village to the rooftop of the world is not just a personal triumph. It's a story of resilience, courage, and the power of a second chance. Purna belongs to two groups who are often pushed to the margins. Number one, she's a young girl. And second, she comes from a tribal community. Society told her twice that she didn't belong. But she climbed anyway. Not just a mountain, but every barrier placed in front of her.
And her story makes us reflect and ask some important questions. What do we even celebrate in our society? Actors? Cricketers? Celebrities? How many of us know Bachendri Pal, the first Indian woman to climb Everest? How many know about Purna, who defied every odd stacked against her? And let's be honest, unless it's cricket, most of them go unwanted. Our athletes fight battles we rarely see, not just on the field or mountain, but in everyday life. Many struggle with poverty, discrimination, a lack of facilities, and sometimes even basic nutrition. Yes, there are schemes. And yes, taxpayer money is allotted. But how many of it actually reaches them? They are expected to dream big with so little. No gear, no support, no applause, and still they rise.
Purna's story belongs to every child who has ever been told, you can't. She didn't just climb Everest, she climbed over society's expectations, stereotypes, and limitations. She proved that when opportunity meets resilience, even the highest peaks can be conquered. And she didn't stop there. Purna is now one of the few Indian mountaineers to have completed the 7 summits, climbing the highest peaks in all 7 continents.
So tonight, we close this Arangetram. Let us celebrate the spirit of belief, determination, and resilience to this powerful rendition of the Mahishasura Mardini Stotram, choreographed by Nisha ma'am and performed by Sanskriti. A performance that is not just dance, but a story, a tribute to every warrior, divine or human, who dared to rise, presenting the final performance of the evening.
ऐगिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनी विश्वविनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुते ऐगिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनी विश्वविनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते भगवति गेशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनी शैलसुते
ता हत जम तरे हित रत त जम त नम त हम त क ते तत हित ता हत जम तरे हित तक तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते ता हत जम तरे हित तक तक जम तक नम तक रम तक ते तत ता हत जम तरे हित तक तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते ता हत जम तरे हित तक तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते ता हत जम तक ते ता हत जम तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते कर दो ता कर दो तक ते को कर दो तत ता हत जम तक ते ता हत जम तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते कर दो ता कर दो तक ते को कर दो तत ता हत जम तक ते ता हत जम तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते कर दो ता कर दो तक ते को कर दो तत ता हत जम तक ते ता हत जम तत जम तत नम तत रम तक ते कर दो ता कर दो तक ते को कर दो
It was a bright, sunny day when Priya and I reached school, only to be told again to clean the corridor. Our parents couldn't pay the fees, so classrooms were off limits. Still, we came, clinging to a faint hope. While sweeping, Priya spotted a pamphlet near the stairs. A free government boarding school for girls. Good education, proper meals, a place to stay. Her eyes lit up. We have to try, she said. And in that moment, it felt like a door had opened. A chance to escape and dream of something better.
सुरवरवर्षिणि दूर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि कर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते
तत्किट्टदा हत जम तरे ता त्रिकुट्टत्तळंकुतक तक तत्किट्टदा हत जम तरे तै त्रिकुट्टत्तळंकुतक तत तत्किट्ट त्रिकुट्टत्तळंकुतक तत्किट्ट त्रिकुट्टत्तळंकुतक
जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते.
After my sister Priya got married at such a young age, her words haunted me. I lost interest in everything, and my parents noticed my silence. I confessed my desire to attend boarding school, something we'd both longed for. Being reluctant, my father still took me there.
जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते.
Dr. Kumar burst into my life like a whirlwind of hope. Refusing to accept the status quo, he rejected the special lunch and ate with us, tasting the same neglect I had known. But he didn't just leave, he acted. Meals became fresh, teachers responsible, and classrooms alive. He transformed our school. When Priya warned me about a forced marriage, I chose the school bus, heading to a mountaineering trip instead. I chose my future.
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते.
ताकु तनकु तक जम जम ता तक जम तकनम तकरुम तक तत ततकु तनकु तक जम जम ते तक जम तकनम तकरुम तक तत ताकु तनकु जम ततकु तनकु जम ता तनकु तक तनकु केनकु तक केनकु जोनकु तक जोन कुडेडकु तक ताकु तनकु तनकु केनकु केनकु कुजोनकु डेडकु ता तजम करतक तरिगडो ता तजम करतक तरिगडो तजम करतक तरिगडो.
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते.
I was chosen to climb the Everest, but I doubted myself. After my sister Priya's tragic death in childbirth, I found new determination to fulfill her dream. The climb became a tribute to my sister, testing my courage and revealing my inner strength.
ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते.
Marriage is not every girl's destination. I am climbing this summit for myself and for my sister, the one who dreamed of studying, writing, and trekking, but never got the chance. Today, I'll fulfill her dream of freedom by reaching the top. We girls do have the right to dream and achieve, and I don't want to lose this chance. That's why I have to climb this summit.
ಭಗವತಿ ಕೇಚಿತಿ ಕಂಡ ಕುಡುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಡುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕವರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಐಗಿರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿದ ಮೇದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದನುತೆ ಗಿರಿವರ ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ಶಿರೋದಿನಿ ವಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣುನುತೆ ಭಗವತಿ ಕೇಚಿತಿ ಕಂಡ ಕುಡುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಡುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕವರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಸುರವರವರ್ಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಧರವರ್ಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಮುಖಮರ್ಷಿಣಿ ಕರ್ಷರತೆ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಪೋಷಿಣಿ ಶಂಕರ ದೋಷಿಣಿ ಕಿಲ್ಮಿಷಮೋಷಿಣಿ ಕೋಶರತೆ ಧನುಜ ನಿರೋಷಿಣಿ ದಿದಿಸುತರೋಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಮದ ಶೋಷಿಣಿ ಸಿಂಧು ಸುಧೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕವರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಐಗಿರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿನ ಮೇದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದನುತೆ ಗಿರಿವರ ವಿಂಧ್ಯ ಶಿರೋದಿನಿ ವಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣುನುತೆ ಭಗವತಿ ಕೇಚಿತಿ ಕಂಡ ಕುಡುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಡುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕವರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ 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 ರಮ್ಯಕವರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ರಮ್ಯಕವರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ
ಜೈ
ಪವಮಾನ ಸುದುಡು ಬಡು ಪಾದಾರ ವಿಂದ ಮುಲಗು ಮೀನಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಗು ನಿತ್ಯ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ರಾಜೀವ ನಯನ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜಾದಿ ವಿನುತమైన మీనామ రూప ములగు నిత్య జయ మంగళం రాజీవ నయన